Hazak u'Baruch. Bezat Hashem Mincha today is going to be at 7 o'clock. Please be on time. The Halacha we are discussing Mayim Acharonim. The Shulchan Aruch writes, En notiri Mayim Acharonim al gabe karka, ela betoch keli. You can't do Mayim Acharonim, you can't wash your hands on the ground. You have to do it into an instrument. And part of the reason is because the ground people walk by, and the Mayim Acharonim have ruach ra'ah. You're not supposed to be stepping on the Mayim Acharonim, so you have to do it into an instrument itself. The question is, what about something like a sink? A sink has the same status as an instrument. It's not like the ground, it's more similar to an instrument, and therefore one can go to the sink and do Mayim Acharonim right by the sink. Some are extra careful to use a kli and to use an instrument to pour from. However, that's not required. According to the Halacha, even if you do from the faucet itself, where there's no instrument you're pouring from, as long as it's going into an instrument, which is the sink, then that is fine. That is permitted to be done. There's some question about what if there's dishes in the sink. Is that make a problem? So if the dishes are not going to be used as is, if they're going to be washed, like most dishes that are in the sink, they're about to be washed, so it doesn't really make a difference that Mayim Acharonim goes on top of them, because at the end of the day it's going to be cleaned, and therefore even if there's dishes in the sink, it's mutar to do Mayim Acharonim from the faucet. One that wants to be extra mahmir and use an instrument in the sink, they could go ahead and use the instrument, so it's coming from an instrument, but that again is not required in the halacha. Baruch Adonai le'olam. Amen ve'amen.